start practice set 1.3 question number 1. Here A, B, C, D. Four sets are given and question is which of the following statements are true and which are false. So first, that is C is subset of B. You know, if A and B are two sets and if each and every element of set B is in A, that time we say B is subset of A. So here, if each and every element of set C is also in set B, that time we say C is subset of B. Since in C there is two elements B and D, and in B, C, D, E, F. So this B does not belong to this set B. So we say here it is false. Means B does not belong to this set B. Then second, A is subset of D. Means each and every element of set A is in D. So see in A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, and in D there is only 2 elements. So it is not possible, means each and every element of this set A is not in D. So we say it is false. Then D is subset of B. Means every element of D is in B. A, E. So A is there, but A is not in B. So again we say it is false. Then fourth, D is subset of A. Means each and every element of D is in A. So C, A, E in D. So this A is also in A, is also. So we say it is true. Then fifth, B is subset of A. Means each and every element of A is B is in A. So C, C, D, D, E, E. But this F is not in this A. So again it is false. So we write here it is false. Then C is subset of A. In C, B. C in A, B, it is in A. D is also in E. Means each and every element of set C is in A. So it is true. Let's see question number 2. Question is take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as universal set and so set X and Y using Venn diagram. So first, X is the set of all X such that X belongs to M, means it is a natural number, and X is greater than 7 but less than 15. And second, Y is the set of all Y such that Y belongs to M and Y is a prime number from 1 to 20. So first we take this natural number, that is N, from 1 to 20 as a universal set. Then convert X and Y in listing method. So you know natural number which are greater than 7 and less than 15. So write in curly bracket. So in X number which is greater than 7 and less than 15 are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Then represent this information by Venn diagram. So how we represent, say, universal set, we represent in rectangular box. Suppose this is universal set U and this is for set X. So in X, say which are given in X, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So write each and every element anywhere in this circle, that is the set of X, and remaining part of natural number, that is the universal in rectangular box. So remaining part, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So this is the representation of Venn diagram. Then second, Y is a set of all y such that y belongs to M and y is prime number from 1 to 20. So again, first write in the string method, means prime number from 1 to 20, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, then 17 and 19. Prime number, you know, number with their factor is 1 and that number itself. We say prime number means number which is not in any table. So 2 is distant even prime number, other prime numbers are odd number. So again represent this by Venn diagram. So in the tabular box, suppose this is the universal set U and this is Y. So in Y we write prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19, and remaining numbers in universal, that is 1, then 3, 2, 3 is there, so 4, then 5 is written, then 6, then 7 is here, so 8, 9, 10, 11 is here, 12, 13, then 14, 15, 16, 18 and this is 20. So this is the representation by Venn diagrams. Question number 3, that is universal set and set P is given, and question is so the set U, P and P complement by Venn diagram, and second verify P complement or complement, that is P. So U and P, these are given. So first find P complement. So student, you know what is P complement? Elements which belongs to universal set but not in this P, that is the P complement. So say element which are in U but not in P. So say this one is in P, so it is not in P complement. Then this 2 is only in universal, not in this P. So we write here 2. Then 3 is also in this P, so don't take. Then 7 is also in this P. Then 8 is only in U, not in this P. So we write 8. Then 9. Then this 10 is in P, means it is in universal and in P also. And complement, that is only in universal. So the next remaining 2, that is 11 and then 12. And represent this information by Venn diagram. So this rectangular box, that is universal. Then this is set P. So say in P there is 1, 3, 7 and 10. And this part of this universal, that is P complement. So in this remaining parts, write anywhere, that is P complement means 2, 8, 9, 11 and this 12. And then see second question is P complement of complement. So here P complement is 2, 8, 9, 11, 12. Then again find its complements. Means P complement means again elements which belongs to this universal but not in P complement. So this U, this one not in this P complement. So we write in curly bracket 1. Then this 2 is there. Then this 3 is only in. Then this 7 is. Then 8 is in P complement. Then 9 is in P complement. 10 is only in U. So we write here 10. Then see 11 and 12, that is in P complement. So only 1, 3, 7 and 10 is in P complement of complement, that is set P. See, this is equal to our set P 1, 3, 7, 10. 1, 3, 7, 10. Therefore, it is P, and therefore P complement of complement is P. Let's see question number 4. A, that is set of 1, 3, 2, 7. And question, then write any 3 subsets of set A. So student, here you remember one rule. If n is a number of element in any set, then the number of subset, that is 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n means subsets or number of subset, that is 2 raised to n. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 elements means n equal to 4. So we write 2 raised to 4, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. So here total 16 subsets are there, and question is only write 3 subsets. So you know empty is a set of every set. So here we write, because empty is a subset of every set, so first we take empty set, that is subset of this A. Then write single 1, that is also subset of A. Then 3 is subset of A. Then if you know every set is subset of its set, so 1, 3, 2, 7 is also subset of this A. Similarly, how many subset you can write here? 16, but you write any 3 like this. Let's say question number 5. Question is write the subset relation between the sets. Here P, M, I, B, H are the some sets. So first say this P. P is the set of all residents in Pune. M is the set of all residents in Madhya Pradesh. I is the subset of all residents in Indore. B is the set of all residents in India. And H is the set of all residents in Maharashtra. Then second question, which set can be the universal set for the above sets? So here you know what is subset. Subset, if A and B, if A and B are 2 sets and each and every element of set A is in B, that time we say A is subset of B. And if each and every element of B is in set A, that time we say B is subset of A. So similarly, you think about this set P. So P, that is the set of all residents, means Nivasi, in Pune. So this Pune is related to Maharashtra and also in India. So we write answer here. P is subset of that Maharashtra means H, and P is subset of means it is also related to India. So it is subset of B. Then think about this Yam. Yam is the set of all residents in Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh, that is the state, and it is related to our country India. So this Yam is subset of B. So Yam is subset of D. Then think about I. I is the set of all residents in Indore. So Indore is in Madhya Pradesh and so in India. So we write I is subset of that Yam, means it is in Madhya Pradesh. Then I is also subset of B, means in India. And this India is a subset of its set, and this Maharashtra is also in India. So we write H is subset of B. Let's see question number 6. Question is, which set of numbers could be the universal set for set given below? A, that is the set of multiples of 5. B is the set of multiples of 7. C is the set of multiples of 12. So student, you know what is the universal set? That is the biggest set on which A, B, C belongs to. So first our job to convert this A, B and C in listing method. So in listing method, we prepare a list, means we write each and every element in curly bracket. That elements are separated by comma. So here multiples of 5, that is 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Then multiples of 7, 14, 21, 28, that is. And the multiple of 12, see the set of multiples of 12. So write the multiples of 12, 12 2 are 24, then 3 are 36 and so on. So A, B, C. You see A and B and C. For this, you have to decide which is the universal set. So here say we know set of natural number, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Set of whole number 0, 1, 2, so on. Integers 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and that is. So see this all A, B and C is in this natural numbers, means multiple of 5 is in these natural numbers, in whole numbers, also in integers. Similarly, this multiple of 7 is also belongs to this N, W and R. This multiple of 12 is also belongs to N, W and R. So here we write answer natural number or whole number or I is the universal set for these sets. Any means you take natural or integer, and that is the universal set for A, B, C. Similarly, see second question. P, the set of integers which are multiple of 4. So multiple of 4, write the multiple of 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. Then set of all even squares. Even squares means 1 square is 1, but 1 is odd. So 2 square is 4 and 4 is even. So here it is 4. Then 3 square is 9, but 9 is not a even square. Then next number is 4. 4 square is 16. So we write here 16. Then 5 square is 25, but it is odd number. So 6 square, that is 36. So on. Then again see this all the multiple of 4, that is also belongs to N, W in integer. 4, 16, 36 also in natural number, whole number and integer. So again answer is any of natural numbers or whole number or integer is the universal set. Any one means you take here natural number, whole number or integers. So answer is correct for natural number, whole number and integer. Let's see last question of this exercise, that is question number 7, and question is let all student of a class is an universal set. Means universal set is whole the class. Then let set A be the element who secure 50% or more marks in maths. Then write the complement of the set. So complement, you know what is complement? Complements elements which belong to universal but not belongs to in that sets. So here A is the set of all elements who secured 50% or more marks in math. So what is its complements? So its complement is student getting marks less than 50% in math. So write all the exercise in your notebook and take practice.